Hi, everybody. It's Dewan coming to you from my YouTube channel, Affiliate Marketing with Dewan. Welcome today, and I'm here with another product review. Now, before I get started, I do want to come with a small disclaimer. I am not affiliated with the program that I'm about to review and won't receive any compensation if you choose to purchase it. However, I am part of an amazing community of mentors who have guided me in breaking into passive income online. I've included a link in the description below so you can explore this community and join me only if you're interested. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the review. Welcome to my FunnelX AI review. Today we'll cover all the important details about FunnelX AI, including its features, pricing, one-time offers, and a detailed pros and cons breakdown. And stick around to the end as I've got an exciting money-making offer to share with you. Before we dive in, a quick intro of myself. My name is Dewan. I've been an affiliate marketer and content creator for years. I know how important it is to find reliable systems that work. I know how much work it takes to build effective sales funnels, and that's why I'm excited to share how FunnelX AI, an AI-powered platform, simplifies the process. It creates everything you need, from sales pages to thank you pages, all with AI technology. Let's go ahead and break it down. FunnelX AI is an all-in-one AI-powered platform designed to help marketers and business owners create high-converting sales funnels with minimal effort. The system automates everything from designing sales pages to writing persuasive copy. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool is beginner-friendly and requires no technical skills. The platform leverages AI to automate the entire funnel building process, allowing you to launch digital products quickly, manage your leads, and even write persuasive sales copy with just a few clicks. Now let's go over some of the key features of FunnelX AI. AI-powered sales page and thank you page builder, an AI-driven copywriting and persuasive sales pages, user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality, commercial licensing for reselling services, done for you graphics and templates, 24/7 hour support, and step-by-step training, no tech skills required, 100% newbie friendly. FunnelX AI offers several pricing options to suit different needs. For personal use, you're only going to pay $14.94, and that includes you're going to be able to create up to 10 sales pages and 10 thank you pages, AI-powered copywriting and page editor. You're going to get that 24/7 support and training. Now, for commercial rights, that's going to raise the price a little bit to $17.95, and it includes you're going to be able to create 50 sales pages and 50 thank you pages. Commercial license to sell funnel building services, like on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Additional templates and resources. Personal use unlimited is $33.95. And that's unlimited sales pages, unlimited thank you pages, AI powered squeeze page editor, product management tools. Number four, you're going to be commercial rights unlimited. That's $37. And you get the all the features of the unlimited personal, the done for you resources like kid stories, fitness videos, and more. Number five, the lifetime PLR membership, which is $197. It includes access to the library of products with private label rights, so you can resell them. Reseller license, you're going to be able to sell FunnelX AI as your own product, and you're going to be able to keep 100% of the profits. All right, so let's go over some of the OTOs. OTO number one, I know we covered some of this before, but this kind of goes just in a little bit more detail here. So OTO number one, you get the reseller's license for $97. It allows you to resell FunnelX AI. Lifetime PLR membership is $197. All right, now let's discuss a balanced views of pros and cons from my experience and feedback gathered from Reddit and other forums. Now, some of the pros, it's all AI powered. So that AI powered automation makes funnel creation fast and easy. Affordable pricing with one-time payments. You get a commercial licenses, which allows for reselling services, perfect for agencies and freelancers. Unlimited page options is a great for power users. Now, some of the cons, some users have mentioned that the lack of advanced customization options for more complex funnels. The platform is still relatively new with limited user reviews on platforms like Reddit, so not a lot to go into there. FunnelX AI offers a lot of value for anyone looking to create sales funnels without technical hassle. It's affordable, beginner friendly, and the AI powered features make it a time-saving tool for marketers. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this review. I do appreciate you guys. So you may ask yourself, what am I doing? What is Dewan doing to make monthly passive income? Well, if you're ready to start your own journey toward making passive income online, be sure to click the link in the description. Not only will you get access to the same community that's helped me, but I've also lined up some exclusive bonuses to help you get a head start. Don't miss out. Click on the link and I'll see you on the inside.